Hello student, now this is the last part of this chapter. That is a factorize the polynomial, and the polynomial which is reducible to the form ax square plus bx plus c. In this video, I will explain all the solved examples and practice set 3.6, which is the last practice set. Now let us start. Now let's recall. In previous standard, that's the previous classes, we have learned how to find the factors of the polynomials. Let's revise it with some example. Factorize 4x square minus 25. Now 4x square means what? 2x bracket square. 4x square म्हणजे काय तर 2x आणि त्याचा bracket square. 25 means what? 5 square. Now we'll apply the formula a square minus b square is equals to, in first bracket a minus b, second bracket a plus b. In a similar manner, here is a 2x plus 5 and 2x minus 5. Now the second example, 3x square plus 7x plus 2. And in this case, that is we see that 3x square plus 7x plus 2. Again, we'll factorize 3 into 2, that is 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Now what are the two numbers such that whose sum is 7x and the product is 6x square. Therefore, the numbers are 6x plus x, and we will take the common from these first two. What is the common from these two? That is a 3x is a common. Then the remaining terms are x and 2. Now from the next two terms, what is the common? That is, no term is common from this. That is a x into 1 and 2 into 1. Therefore from these two we will take 1 as common from these two terms. Therefore 1 in bracket x plus 2. Again take the common from these two terms. X plus 2 is a common, and which is the remaining terms? 3x plus 1. In this way, the factors of 3x square plus 7x plus 2 are x plus 2 and 3x plus 1. Now the next, 63x square plus 5x minus 2. Now see this here. To factorize this, I had written here 63x square into minus 2, which is the minus 126x square. What is the sum? Sum काय आला पाहिजे त्यांचा? तर 5x आला पाहिजे. तर तो मी इथे 5x लिहिला आहे. Now I will factorize this minus 126x square such that their sum is 5x and their product is a minus 126x square. मी असे दोन नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करणार. हे 126x square कुठून आले ते पुन्हा मी सांगतो. Multiply the first term and last term. That is 63x square into minus 2 is a minus 2x minus 126x square, and the middle term is a 5x. Now we'll find out the two terms such that whose product is minus 126x square and the sum is 5x. The terms are 14x and minus 9x. 14 minus 9, that is a 5x, and 14x into minus 9x, that is a minus 126x square. Therefore, in the place of 5x, we replace the terms. 5x च्या जागी आपण काय लिहिणार? 14x minus 9x. Now take the common from these two terms. That is a 63x square plus 14x. Common काय येणार याच्यातनं? तर या दोघातनं common 7x in bracket 9x plus 2. Again the common from these two. No common element is there. Only single one is common. Therefore minus 1 in bracket 9x plus 2. Now the next is, therefore again we will take the common from these two. What is the common? या दोघातनं common काय येणार? 9x plus 2 आणि काय राहणार शिल्लक ब्रॅकेट मध्ये? 7x minus 1, and in this way. Now the next example, example number 4, 6x square minus 5x minus 6. Now the product of first and last, which is a minus 36x square. What about the middle term? Middle term is minus 5x. मग अशा कुठल्या दोन टर्म्स आहेत की ज्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट -36x² आणि त्यांचा सम किती आला पाहिजे -5x. मग 36 मल्टिप्लिकेशन कोणाचं 9 आणि 4. मग त्याला साइन कसं द्यायचं तर -9x + 4x. -9x + 4x यांचं अल्जेब्रिक किती येणार ॲडिशन -5x आणि -9x + 4x त्यांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती येणार -36x². Therefore, instead of -5x, we have written -9x + 4x. Now, from the first two terms, we'll take the common. First, we take the number common. Now, these 6 can be written as 2 into 3, and 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Out of these, that is a number will become, that is a 3. Number मध्ये काय कॉमन येणार तर 3 येणार आणि व्हेरिएबल x येणार. मग या 6x² मधला 3x गेला, मग इथे काय राहणार शिल्लक तर 2x. या 9x मधला एक 3 गेला कॉमन आणि x पण गेला कॉमन तर 3 राहणार. आणि या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये जे असतं तेच नंतर आलं पाहिजे की जेणेकरून आपले फॅक्टर्स बरोबर आले आहेत ते आपल्याला समजतं. Now the common from these 4x - 6. Now 4 can be written as, that is a 2 into x, and 6 can be written as -3 into 2. Take the 2 as a common, then in bracket you will get 2x - 3, 2x - 3. Now take the 2x - 3 as a common, then in bracket you will get 3x + 2, and in this way we have the factors like this. Now let's learn the factors of the polynomial. Sometimes polynomial can be written in the form ax² + bx + c, and hence it is easy to factorize. Find its factors. आता या प्रकारच्या पॉलिनॉमियल्स जर बघितले आपल्याला तर मग आपल्याला त्या फ्रेम मध्ये तयार करावं लागणार आहे ax² + bx + c. Now see these terms, that is y² - 3y bracket square -5 in bracket y² - 3y - 50. Now see this, the common term is a y² - 3y. y² - 3y ही कसे कॉमन टर्म्स आहेत. मग यासाठी आपण एक वेगळं व्हेरिएबल घेतलं, which is that variable is x. y² - 3y is equals to x. Then you will get x² minus 5x minus 50. x² minus 5x minus 50. Now what is the product of x² and minus 50? The product of x² and minus 50 is a minus 50x². What about the middle term? The middle term is minus 5x. Now I will factorize. म्हणजे काय की मला प्रॉडक्ट किती आला पाहिजे -50x² आला पाहिजे. त्याचा सम किती आला पाहिजे -5x आला पाहिजे. What are the two numbers whose product is 50 -50x² and their sum is a -5x? The numbers are -10x + 5x. -10x + 5x, their sum is -5x. And -10x into +5x, their product is -50x². Therefore, here -5x can be written as -10x plus 5x. Now, from first these two terms, we'll take the common. What will the common? या दोघांतनं common काय येणार? नंबर येणार करता नाही येणार. x² जवळ फक्त एक सिंगल 1 आहे. Therefore, we'll take the x as common. And from these two, that is a 5x and -50, we can take 5 as common. Then in bracket you will get x minus 10, and in this way that is a x minus 10 and x minus 10. Again take the common from these two terms. X minus 10 is a common. Then in bracket you will get in first bracket x minus 10, and what is the remaining terms? The remaining terms are x plus 5. And now replace the value of x. But what is the x? X काय होता यामध्ये y² minus 3y. X is replaced by y² minus 3y minus 10. Again x is replaced by y² minus 3y plus 5. Now see this here. Again we will factorize these factors, this polynomial. That is y² minus 3y minus 10. The product of y² and minus 10 is a minus 10y². What about the middle term? Middle term is minus 3y. Now we'll find out the two numbers such that whose product is a minus 10y² and whose algebraic sum is a minus 3y. मग असे कोणते दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा प्रॉडक्ट 10 येतो? मग 5 and 2. But what about their sign? The sign for the 5y is minus and 2y is a plus. Minus 5y plus 2y is a minus 3y. minus 5y into 2y is a minus 10y square. Therefore, we have written this minus 3y in this fashion, that is y square minus 5y plus 2y. या फ्रेम मध्ये आपण लिहिले minus 5y minus plus 2y minus 10, and the second bracket is as it is, which is y square minus 3y plus 5. त्याचे फॅक्टर्स पडतात का? तर पडत नाही त्याचे फॅक्टर्स, म्हणून आपण तो ब्रॅकेट जसंच तसा घेतलेला आहे. नाव द कॉमन टर्म्स y स्क्वेअर मायनस 5y, यातनं कॉमन काय मिळेल आपल्याला? नंबर तर नाहीये पण व्हेरिएबल आहे, तर व्हेरिएबल कुठला आहे? तर y इन ब्रॅकेट y मायनस 5. यानंतरच्या दोघातनं कॉमन काय येणार? तर 2 कॉमन येणार. y येणार का? तर नाही, 10 जवळ y नाहीये. नाव 10 can be written as 5 into 2. Now here is a 2 and 2. Take 2 as common. Then in bracket y minus 5. Again from this square bracket, what is the common? Y minus 5 is common. What is the remaining? Y plus 2 is remaining. And the last bracket, y square minus 3y plus 5. And in this way, we have factorized this polynomial. That is y square minus 3y bracket square minus 5 in bracket y square minus 3y minus 50. That is y minus 5 into y plus 2 into y square minus 3y plus 5. Now the next problem. Factorize x plus 2 in first bracket, second bracket x minus 3 into x minus 7 into x minus 2 plus 64. Now in this case, we'll arrange the terms in this manner. म्हणजे टर्म्सची अरेंजमेंट देखील एका विशिष्ट फ्रेम मध्येच झाली पाहिजे, की जेणेकरून आपल्याला त्याचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर सारखे टर्म्स आले पाहिजे. मग आपण इथे काय घेतलेले? वी हॅव टेकन इन दिस केस that is in first bracket x plus 2 into in second bracket x minus 7. These are the two product of these two terms. What about the second? X minus 3 into x minus 2. Now x plus 2 into x minus 7. Their product is x square minus 7x plus 2x minus 14. What about the next bracket? X minus 3 into x minus 2. What about their product? X square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 plus 64. Now see this here, x square minus 7x plus 2x, which is minus 5x minus 14. What about the next? X square minus 5x plus 6 and bracket complete plus 64. म्हणून यासाठी we have to select the bracket by trial and error method so that we will get the common term. म्हणजे आपल्याला एक कॉमन टर्म असं मिळालं पाहिजे. काय असलं पाहिजे ते? x square minus 5x. Now put x square minus 5x is equals to m. Therefore you will get in first bracket m minus 14, in second bracket m plus 6 plus 64. Now the product of these two brackets, m into m plus 6 in bracket minus 14 into in bracket m plus 6 plus 64. हा product तयार करणार m square. That is the product of these two terms. Again I had repeated that step. M square minus 14m plus 6m minus 84 plus 64. And in this way, you will get m square minus 8m minus 20. Now we'll factorize this. What is the product of first and last term? That is m square into minus 20. मग यांचा product किती येणार? तर minus 20m square. What about the middle term? The middle term is minus 8m. मग असे कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा प्रॉडक्ट मायनस 20m स्क्वेअर आहे आणि ज्यांचा असं मायनस 8m आहे? मग असे दोन नंबर्स की ज्याचा प्रॉडक्ट मायनस 20m स्क्वेअर आला पाहिजे आणि सम मायनस 8m. मग ते दोन नंबर्स किती असतील? तर मायनस 10m and plus 2m. Therefore we have replaced minus 8m as a minus 10m plus 2m. Now take the from first two terms m as common, then in bracket you will get m minus 10. From the last two terms, you will take the common m in bracket, you will get m minus 10. आता पुन्हा या दोन ब्रॅकेट मधून आपल्याला कॉमन काय मिळू शकतं? तर m minus 10. What's the remaining? m plus 2. Now replace the value of m is equals to x square minus 5x. आता x square minus 5x m च्या जागी आपण रिप्लेस करणार ते. Therefore you will get x square minus 5x minus 10 into x square minus 5x plus 2. Again, these are the final factors of the polynomial, that is x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 7 into x minus 2 plus 64, that is x square minus 5x minus 10 and x square minus 2x plus 2 in this way. Now we'll start the practice set 3.6, which is the last practice set. Find the factors of the polynomial given below. 2x square plus x minus 1. Now see this again. The product of first and last term, that is a 2x square minus 1. The product of 2x square minus 1 is a minus 2x square. What about the middle term? Middle term is x. I have written here x. Now what are the two terms? What are the two terms? What are the factors? Two factors such that whose sum is x and product is minus 2x square. म्हणजे अशा कुठल्या दोन टर्म्स आहेत की ज्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट मायनस 2x स्क्वेअर आला पाहिजे आणि त्याचा सम किती आला पाहिजे मिडल टर्म एवढा. व्हॉट इज द मिडल टर्म? मिडल टर्म इज एक्स. मग दोन नंबर्स कोणते आहेत असे? तर 2x मायनस एक्स. 2x मधनं x गेले, 2x मधनं x गेले तर x आले. 2x into minus x, that is a minus 2x square. Therefore we have split up this in place of x, that is a plus 2x minus x. Now we'll take the common. Take the 2 as common, 2x as common from the first two. And the next, minus x आणि minus 1. यातनं कॉमन काय? तर व्हेरिएबल काहीच नाही, नंबर पण नाही, तर minus 1 आपण कॉमन करणार. When we take the minus 1, then the sign of the terms remaining in the bracket will change. That is x plus 1. Now again take the common from these two terms. What is the common? X plus 1. What is the next? 2x minus 1. And in this case, x square plus x minus 1 is equals to, in first bracket, x plus 1 and 2x minus 1. Now the next, 2m square plus 5m minus 3. पुन्हा first term last term चा product किती येणार? Minus 6m square. What about the middle term? The middle term is 5m. I had it written. Now find the two factors such that whose sum is 5m and product is minus 6m square. असे कुठले दोन टर्म्स आहेत की ज्याचा सम किती आला पाहिजे? 5m आला पाहिजे आणि प्रॉडक्ट किती आला पाहिजे? minus 6m square. ओके, तर ते दोन टर्म्स 6m and minus m. 6m मधनं एक m गेला तर किती आला? 5m. And the 6m into minus m, that is a minus 6m square. Therefore, in place of this 5m, I had replaced this 6m minus m. Now take the common from first two. आता या पहिल्या दोघांना कॉमन. The numbers common करणार first. इथनं 2 येणार and 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Therefore, 2 is common. Again, variable m is also common. 2m in bracket, m plus 3. From the last two, no number in no variable. Only जेव्हा ज्यावेळेस नंबर्स आणि व्हेरिएबल नसतात, काहीच नसतात, प्राईम असतात ते, तर त्यातनं आपण एक 1 कॉमन घेत असतो आणि इथे बघा m ला मायनस साइन आहे. नाउ दिस that is m has minus sign, therefore we take the minus 1 as common. When we take the minus 1 as a common, the sign of the terms remaining in the brackets will change. That is minus 2 plus and minus 2 plus. Therefore in bracket you will get m plus 3. Now again from these two terms, what is a common? M plus 3 is common. Then what is remaining? 2m minus 1, and in this case. Now next is a 12x square plus 61x plus 77. Again the product of first and last. The product of first and last is 924x square. What about the middle term? Middle term काय आहे? तर 61x आहे. 61x. What are the factors such that the product is 924x square, 924x square, आणि सम किती आला पाहिजे? तर सम 61x आला पाहिजे. मग यासाठी विद्यार्थी मित्र तुमचे टेबल्स पाठ पाहिजे, स्क्वेअर पाठ पाहिजे आणि क्यूब देखील पाठ पाहिजे, तर तुम्हाला सहज त्याचे ते फॅक्टर्स करता येतील. नाउ 28x plus 33x, their sum is 61x, and 28x into 33x is a 924x square. Therefore in place of 61, या 61 च्या जागी आपण काय लिहिलंय? 28x plus 33. Now take the common from first two. या दोघांतनं कॉमन काय येणार? तर नंबर्स मध्ये बघा 12 आहे, इथे 28 आहे. मग 12 can be written as 4 into 3 and 28 can be written as 4 into 7. या दोघांतनं 4 कॉमन येणार आणि व्हेरिएबल किती येणार? तर x कॉमन येणार. Therefore 4x is common. Then what will remaining terms? या 12 मधला 4 into 3, त्यातला 4 गेला, x गेला, मग काय राहणार? 3x. 28x मधला 4 into 7 गेला, 4 into 7x, that is a 4x common, then remaining term is a 7. Therefore, the next is again the 33x and 11. 33x plus 77. What will a common? या दोघांतलं कॉमन काय येणार ते 11 येणार. देन इन ब्रॅकेट यू विल गेट 3x plus 7. एक लक्षात ठेवायचं की या पहिल्या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये जे आलेलं असतं तेच नंतर आलं पाहिजे आणि आहे तसे. या दोघांतनं पुन्हा कॉमन घेणार. 3x plus 7 is common and in the bracket 4x plus 11. And in this way we have factorized it. Now the next problem. 3y square minus 2y minus 1. Again the product of 3y square minus 1. 3y square minus 1 is a minus 3y square. What about the middle term? Minus 2y. Now what are the two terms such that whose product is minus 3y square and sum is minus 2y? मग असे कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्यांचा सम minus 2y? मग minus 3y and plus y. Minus 3y plus y यांचा अल्जेब्रिक सम किती तर minus 2y. आणि त्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट किती येणार तर minus 3y square. Therefore, I had split up this minus 2y in this fashion. That is a minus 3y plus y. Now take the common from first two, which is a 3y. Then in bracket you will get y minus 1. Again, take the common from y minus 1. What is the common? 1 is common. Then in bracket you will get y minus 1. या दोघांना कॉमन काहीच निघत नाही म्हणून आपण प्रत्येकदा 1 ट्रेड करतो त्यामध्ये. Take the y minus 1 common from these two terms. Then you will get 3y plus 1. That is y minus 1 into 3y plus 1. And in this way, the factors are factors of 3y square minus 2y minus 1 is equals to, in first bracket y minus 1 into in second bracket 3y plus 1. Now the next example is, and there is a root 3 sign, root 3 number. That is a 3x square plus 4x plus root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. Now see this again. Root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3. Now the product of first and last. म्हणजे काय की root 3x square into root 3. त्यांचा root 3 into root 3. It is a 3 into x square. The product of first and last is 3x square. What about the middle term? Middle term is 4x. Now what are the two terms such that whose sum is 4 and the product is 3x square? मग फॅक्टर्स फार सोपे आहेत त्याचे. मग त्यांचा सम काय 3x आणि x यांचे टोटल किती येतं तर 4x and 3x into x is 3x square. Therefore I had written here root 3x square as it is, and in place of the 4x it is a 3x plus x. Now take the common root 3x square and 3x. मग बघा इथे 3 दिले त्याने. Now this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. हा 3 कसा लिहिला आपण root 3 into root 3. Again here is a root 3. Now take the common from these first two terms. Root 3x common घेतला आपण. मग ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय राहणार x plus root 3. नंतरच्या दोन टर्म्स मधून काहीच कॉमन नाही म्हणजेच 1 कॉमन घेत असतो आपण. 1 in bracket x plus root 3. Again take the common from these two. What is the common? X plus root 3. What is the remaining? Root 3x plus 1. And in this way we have factorized root 3x square plus 4x plus root 3 is equals to x in that is equals to in bracket x plus root 3. In second bracket root 3x plus 1 in this way. Now the next example, that is number 6. 1 upon 2x square minus 3x plus 4. Now see this here. That is a 1 upon 2x square. Now this 3 is written as, हा 3 कसा लिहिलाय बघा. This 3 is written as, that is 1 upon 2x square. This minus 3x written as in this fashion. That is a 6x upon 2. It doesn't affect. What about the 4? 4 is written as 8 upon 2. Take 1 upon 2 as common. Then in bracket you will get x square minus 6x plus 8. Now we'll factorize x square minus 8x. Sorry, x square minus 6x plus 8. Now product of x square into 8. That is the 8x square. What about the middle term? Middle term is minus 6x. Now the product of what are the two terms such that whose sum is minus 6x and product is 8x square. That is a minus 4x and minus 2x. Therefore minus 6x can be written as minus 2x, minus 4x and minus 2x. Now take the common from first two. X is common, then in bracket x minus 4. Minus 2 is common, then in bracket x minus 4. Again from these two terms x minus 4 is common and the remaining is x minus 2. That is 1 upon 2 in bracket x minus 4 into x minus 2, and in this way we have factorized. I had written this answer, that is 1 upon 2 in bracket x minus 4 into x minus 2. If I multiplied this 1 upon 2, the first bracket, then I will get the answer that is equals to x upon 2 minus 2, that is a x upon 2, 4 upon 2 is minus 2, and next bracket x minus 2. If I multiplied 1 upon 2 to the last bracket, then you will get the answer that is equals to x minus 4. आणि जर समजा या 1 upon 2 ने x minus 2 ला जर डिवाइड केला तर x minus 2, 2 upon 2 that is 1, x minus 2, x upon 2 minus 1, and in this way we can factorize. Now the question number 2, factorize the following polynomials: x square minus x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus x plus 12. Now see this here, x square minus x square minus x is common term, therefore we will substitute that term आपल्याला common मिळते इथे, म्हणून x square minus x च्या साठी आपण काय ट्रीट करणार तर m ट्रीट करणार. मग या सगळ्या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये x square minus x is replaced by m, then you will get m square minus 8m plus 12. Now we will factorize this, that is the product of first and last term, m square into 12, that is the 12m square. What about the middle term? Middle term काय तर minus 8m आहे. मग कोणते दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा सम minus 8m आणि प्रॉडक्ट किती येणार तर 12m square minus 6m minus 12, minus 6m minus 2m किती minus 8m, आणि minus 6m into minus 12 is a 12m square. म्हणून आपण इथे लिहिलेत बघा, minus 8m is replaced by minus 6m minus 12. मग पहिल्या दोघातनं कॉमन किती आलं तर कॉमन ते m आला कॉमन, then in bracket m minus 6. नंतरच्या दोघातनं कॉमन minus 2 is common, then in bracket m minus 6, m minus 6, m minus 6, we take the m minus 6 as a common. What about the next? M minus 2, therefore m minus 6 into m minus 2, these are the factors. Now again we'll replace the value of m. What is the value of m? M is a x square minus x, therefore we have replaced in place of m, m च्या जागी आपण काय सबस्टिट्यूट केला, x square minus x minus 6 आणि x square minus x minus 2. आता इथे दोन ब्रॅकेट आपल्याला मिळाले. आता पहिल्या ब्रॅकेटचे फॅक्टर्स बघा या साइडला. आता फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म मल्टिप्लिकेशन minus 6x square, मिडल टर्म किती आहे तर minus x लिहिलं. Now what are the two terms whose sum is minus x and product is minus 6x square? मग ते दोन नंबर्स किती तर minus 3x आणि plus 2x. मग आपण या minus x च्या ऐवजी काय लिहिलं minus 3x आणि plus 2x. मग पहिल्या दोघांना अंडरलाईन नंतर दोघांना अंडरलाईन. या दोघातनं आपण कॉमन काय येणार आपल्याला x, then in bracket x minus 3. नंतरच्या दोघातनं कॉमन काय आलं तर 2 in bracket x minus 3. आता पुन्हा बघा x square minus x minus 2, यामध्ये देखील what about the product of first and last is a minus 2x square, middle term is minus x. Now what are the two numbers such that whose sum is minus x and product is minus 2x square? असे कोणते दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा सम minus x येणार आहे आणि त्याचा प्रॉडक्ट किती येणार आहे minus 2x square? Therefore the numbers are minus 2x and x, therefore minus x is replaced by minus 2x and x. Now we'll factorize these two long brackets. Now common from these two is x is common in bracket x minus 3, common या दोघातनं common 2 आला common, then in bracket x minus 3, पुन्हा या दोघातनं common x common in bracket x minus 2, पुन्हा या दोघातनं common काहीच येत नाही म्हणजे 1 ट्रीट करतो आपण, then 1 in bracket x minus 2. Again from this square bracket x minus 3 is common, what is the remaining x plus 2. What about the common from these two x minus 2, what is the remaining in bracket x plus 1, and overall you will get x minus 3 into in next bracket x plus 2 in next bracket x minus 2 into next bracket x plus 1, and in this way we have factorized this. Now the next, that is x minus 5 bracket square minus 5 minus in bracket 5x minus 25 minus 24. मग यामध्ये कॉमन काय तर काढणार, तर अशा टाइपचा प्रॉब्लेम आला तर आपल्याला लगेच निरीक्षणाने बाय ऑब्झर्वेशन वी कॅन सी दिस, वी कॅन टेक x as 5 as a common from this, then our example will become in this manner. जर आपण याच्यातनं 5 कॉमन काढला तर आपल्याला काय मिळेल x minus 5 bracket square as it is. If we take 5 as common, then in bracket you will get x minus 5 minus 24. Now see this here, x minus 5 is common, Therefore, let m is equals to x minus 5. Then the quadratic equation, that equation will become, polynomial will become m square minus 5m minus 24. Now what is the product of m square and minus 24? M square and product of m square and minus 24 is a minus 24 m square. What about their middle term? Middle term is minus 5m. Now what are the two terms such that असे कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा सम minus 5m आहे आणि प्रॉडक्ट किती आहे तर minus 24m square. The numbers are minus 8m and plus 3m. म्हणून आपण येथे minus 5m च्या जागी काय लिहिले आहे तर minus 8m आणि plus 3m लिहिले. पुन्हा या दोघातनं कॉमन घेणार. किती कॉमन येणार? m कॉमन. देन इन ब्रॅकेट m minus 8. या दोघातनं कॉमन किती येणार तर 3 कॉमन येणार आणि या ब्रॅकेटमध्ये सेम टर्म्स असतात म्हणून आपण त्या प्रकारे ऍडजस्ट करू शकतो की 3 कॉमन घेतल्यानंतर ब्रॅकेटमध्ये बरोबर आणि 3 कॉमन येणार m minus 8. Again the take the common from these two, that is m minus 8 is common, and the next in bracket m plus 3, and therefore replace now m is again replaced by x minus 5. X minus 5 minus 8, again this m is replaced by x minus 5 plus 3. X minus 5 minus 8, minus 5 minus 8 is minus 13, x minus 13. And what about here? Minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. And overall you will get the factors are, that is in bracket x minus 13 into x minus 2. Now the third example. Now the example number 3. In bracket x square minus 6x bracket square minus 8 in bracket x square minus 6x plus 8 minus 64. Now by observing this example, x square minus 6x, x square minus 6x is a common in this polynomial. Therefore we will substitute, that is the x square minus 6x as m. Therefore you will get, that is first is x square minus 6x as m. It's a m square minus 8. X square minus 6x as m plus 8 minus 64. Now m square, the product of m and 8. That is a minus 8m minus 64 minus 64. M square minus 8m minus 64 is a minus 128. Now the product of m square and minus 128. That is a minus 128 m square. मिळणार आपल्याला. What about the middle term? Middle term किती आहे तर minus 8m. Now what are the two numbers such that whose sum is a minus 8m and product is minus 128m square? Now the terms are, the numbers are minus 16m and plus 8m. मग कोणते दोन नंबर्स येतील की ज्यांचा सम हा minus 8m आणि प्रॉडक्ट minus 128m square? त्यासाठी तुम्हाला टेबल्स माहिती पाहिजे आणि त्या टेबल्स वरनं multiplication cube square माहिती पाहिजे. Minus 16m and plus 8m. Therefore I had replaced minus 8m as minus 16m plus 8m. Next take the common m as common, then in bracket you will get m minus 16. From the remaining two terms take 8 as common, then in bracket you will get m minus 16. Again take m minus 16 as common, then remaining terms are m plus 8. Here is m plus 8. Therefore the factors are m plus 8 into, in bracket, next bracket is m minus 6. Now replace the value, resubstitute the value, that is m is equals to x square minus 6x. I had replaced the value, that is m is x square minus 6x minus 16 here first, and next is x square minus 6x plus 8. आता पुन्हा इथे दोन टर्म्स आलेत बघा, x square minus 6x minus 16. मग हे पहिल्यांदा फॅक्टराइज करणार, नंतर x square minus 6x plus 8. मग पुन्हा यांचं प्रॉडक्ट इथे येणार तर minus 16x square. सम किती येतं minus 6x. What are the two terms? Minus 8x and plus 2x. Minus 8x and plus 2x. Take the common, that is x is common, then in bracket you will get x minus 8. 2x minus 16, take the 2 as common. What about the next? पुढच्या नंतरच्या टर्म मध्ये प्रॉडक्ट किती आहे तर 8x स्क्वेअर आहे. सम किती आहे तर minus 6x पाहिजे. मग प्रॉडक्ट 8x स्क्वेअर आणि सम minus 6x येण्यासाठी त्याचे टर्म्स फॅक्टर्स किती असतील तर minus 4x and minus 2x. Minus 4x minus 2x is minus 6x आणि त्यांचं प्रॉडक्ट किती आलं तर 8x स्क्वेअर. and in this way minus 6x is replaced by minus 4x and minus 2x. Now common from these two. यातनं कॉमन घेणार, या दोघातनं कॉमन. x common आला x minus 8 plus 2 common, then in bracket you will get x minus 8. From next two terms, that is x is common x minus 4, minus 2 is common x minus 4. x minus 8, x minus 8. Take x minus 8 common. The remainings are x plus 2. What about here? X minus 4 is common. What are the remaining? X minus 2. And overall, you will get that is x minus 8 into x plus 2 into x minus 4 into x minus 2. These are the factors. Again, I will repeat. X minus 8, x plus 2, x minus 4, x minus 2. Now the next problem is x square minus 2x plus 3, x square minus 2x plus 5, bracket complete, minus 35. Again the common terms, x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x. Put m is equals to x square minus 2x. Therefore, in this bracket, these two brackets, x square minus 2x is replaced by m. Therefore, it is a m plus 3 in first bracket. Second bracket, m plus 5 minus 35. Again, the product of these two, that is m square. M into m plus 5. 3 plus 3 into in bracket m plus 5 minus 35. M square plus 5m plus 3m plus 15 minus 35. M square 5m plus 3m, that is 8m minus 20. Therefore, now factorize this. म्हणजे middle term बघा आता किती आहे तर 8m आहे. आणि product of first and last is minus 20m square. मग असे कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्यांचा सम 8m आहे आणि product minus 20m square. The plus 10m and minus 2m. Therefore, I had replaced these 8m plus 10m minus 2m. Now take the common from these two. M is common, then in bracket m plus 10. Minus 2 is common, then in bracket you will get m plus 10. पुन्हा या दोघांतनं कॉमन किती येणार तर m plus 10 येणार. And what is the remaining? m minus 2. Resubstitute the value of m, which is x square minus 2x. That is x square minus 2x plus 10. x square minus 2x minus 2. मग पुन्हा फॅक्टरिंग पडतील कायचे तर नाही पडणार. And keep this as it is. These are the factors. Now the next fifth example. In first bracket y plus 2, y minus 3. And again y plus in 8 and y plus 3 plus 56. Now we'll arrange these brackets in such a way that we will get the common terms in that bracket. म्हणजे चार ब्रॅकेट्स पैकी असे दोन ब्रॅकेट्स आपण जवळजवळ करणार, त्यांचा प्रॉडक्ट घेणार आणि आपल्याला त्यामध्ये कॉमन टर्म्स मिळायला पाहिजे. हे बाय ट्रायल अँड एरर मेथडने करणार. आता पहिल्यामध्ये बघा y plus 2 and y plus 3 हे दोन्ही जवळ आले आणि नंतर y minus 3 and y plus 8 हे दोन्ही जवळ आले. The product of y plus 2 and y plus 3. Y plus 2, that is y into y plus 3 plus 2 in bracket y plus 3. What about the product of y minus 3? The product of y minus 3 into y plus 8 is y into in bracket y plus 8 minus 3 in bracket y plus 8 plus 56. I had forgot to write that. And here is a plus 56. Therefore, their product is y square plus y into 3, 3y, y into 2, 2y, 2 into 3, 6, y square plus 8y minus 3y minus 24 plus 56. Now the next is y square, 3y plus 2y, 5y plus 6. What about the remaining? Y square, 8y minus 3y, 5y minus 24. Again the y square plus 5y. Take m is equals to. Therefore, in bracket you will get m plus 6. Next bracket you will get m minus 24 plus 56. Again the product of these two brackets. That is m in bracket m minus 24. 6 in bracket m minus 24 plus 56. Then you will get m square minus 24m plus 6m minus 144 plus 56. And overall you will get m square minus 18m minus 144 plus 56. That is a minus 88. Now what are the factors? आता product बघा m square minus 88. That is a minus 88 m square. What about the middle term? Middle term is a minus 80m. मग कोणते दोन नंबर्स आहेत की minus 22m and plus 4m. Minus 22m plus 4m is a minus 18m. Minus 22m into 4m is a minus 88m square. Again, they take the common. M is common. Then in bracket you will get m minus 22. 4 is common. In bracket you will get again m minus 22. Again, take the m minus 22 as a common from these two terms. आणि मग राहतं काय शिल्लक करा m plus 4. Remaining is m plus 4. Resubstitute the value of m. That is y square plus 5y. Y square plus 5y minus 22 and y square plus 5y plus 4. मग या y square plus 5y minus 22 चे फॅक्टर्स काय पडत नाही. मग कोणाचे घेणार आपण y square plus 5y plus 4. Now the product of first and last is 4y square and middle is 5y. मग कोणते दोन नंबर्स आहेत तर 4y आणि y. यांचा सम किती आलं तर 5y आणि प्रॉडक्ट किती आलं तर 4y². therefore y² plus 4y plus y plus 4. या 5y च्या जागी काय लिहिलं आपण 4y plus y. पुन्हा पहिल्या दोघांसाठी y कॉमन, then in bracket you will get y plus 4. नंतरच्या दोघांसाठी एक कॉमन, then in bracket you will get y plus 4. Take y plus 4 as common. What is the remaining? Y plus 1. And now the factors are y² plus yy minus 22 in next bracket y plus 4, y plus 1, and in this way we have factorized it. This answer, that is y² plus yy minus 22 in next bracket y plus 4, y plus 1. Now the next example, y² plus yy next bracket y² plus yy minus 2 minus 24. Again the common term is present here. म्हणजे कुठलं common term आहे y² plus yy, मग त्याला m treat करणार, then you will get that is a y² plus yy in bracket y² plus yy minus 2 minus 24. म्हणजे m इथे m झाला पहिला, नंतर m minus 2 minus 24. पुन्हा यांचं प्रॉडक्ट तयार करणार m² minus 2m minus 24. पुन्हा फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म प्रॉडक्ट किती आला minus 24m². What about the middle term? minus 2m. माशे कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्यांचा सम किती तर -2m आणि प्रॉडक्ट किती तर -24m². पुन्हा फॅक्टर्स -6m plus 4m. मग -2m is replaced by -6m plus 4m. Again take the common from first two. Numbers नाही तर व्हेरिएबल आहे m common, then in bracket you will get m minus 6. Number common येणार नंतरच्या दोघांमध्ये. 4 is common, m minus 6. And what is the m minus 6 into m plus 4? Now resubstitute the value of m, which is y² plus yy. y² plus yy minus 6. And in next bracket y² plus yy plus 4. आता पहिला ब्रॅकेट फॅक्टराइज करणार y² into minus 6y². What about the middle term? Middle term is 5y. Now the product of that is the y² and minus 6 is the minus 6y² and middle term is 5y. मग कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा सम 5y and product minus 6y², that is plus 6y minus y. Therefore this 5y is replaced by 6y minus y minus 6. What about the next? पुन्हा या नेक्स्ट ब्रॅकेट मध्ये product of y² and 4 is a 4y². What about the middle term is 5y. मग कुठले दोन नंबर्स आहेत की ज्याचा सम किती आला पाहिजे 5y आणि प्रॉडक्ट किती आला 4y². मग 4y plus y 5y, 4y into y 4y². म्हणजेच आपण हा 5y कसा रिप्लेस केला 4y plus y. पुन्हा पहिल्या दोघातनं कॉमन किती आले तर y आले, इन ब्रॅकेट यू विल गेट y plus 6. दुसऱ्या दोघातनं कॉमन किती आले तर -1 कॉमन, इन ब्रॅकेट y plus 6. What about the common from these two terms? Y is common, in bracket y plus 4. 1 is common, then in bracket y plus 4. And overall, from the first square bracket, you will get y plus 6 and the remaining is y minus 1. From the next square bracket, you will get y plus 4 and the remaining is y plus 1. And in this way, the factors are y plus 6 into y minus 1 into y plus 4 into y plus 1. And in this way, we have factorized it. Now the next problem is x minus 3 into x minus 4 bracket square, x minus 5 minus 6. Now we'll arrange the brackets like this. That is, first is x minus 3 into x minus 5. These are these two brackets. This is a group of these two first bracket, and the next is x minus 4 in bracket x minus 4 into in bracket x minus 4. These are the या प्रकारे आपण अरेंज केले ते -6. मग यांचा प्रॉडक्ट तयार करणार which is the x in bracket x minus 5 minus 3 in bracket x minus 5 plus x in bracket x minus 4 minus 4 in bracket x minus 4 minus 6. What about their product x² minus 5x minus 3x plus 15? या प्रकारे. Now next product is x² minus 4x minus 4x minus 4 into minus 4, that is a plus 16 minus 6. मग ओव्हरऑल किती मिळणार बघा x² minus 5x minus 3x minus 8x plus 15, x² minus 8x plus 16. आता पुन्हा कॉमन टर्म्स बघा या दोन ब्रॅकेट मध्ये x² minus 8x. मग x² minus 8x साठी आपण काय ट्रीट करणार तर m. मग m plus 15 and in next bracket is also m plus 16 minus 6. पुन्हा या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट, that is a m into m plus 16 plus 15 into m plus 16 minus 6. m into m² plus 16m plus 15m, 15 into 16, that is a 240 minus 6. And overall you will get m square plus 31m plus 234. Now see this here. What are the product? मग यामध्ये प्रॉडक्ट किती मिळाला 234 ही प्रॉडक्ट m स्क्वेअर 232 34 m स्क्वेअर and sum किती आला पाहिजे 31 आला पाहिजे 31m. Therefore the factors are 18m plus 13m. 18m plus 13m is 31m and their product is 234m square. Therefore 31m is replaced by 18m plus 13m. Take the common from these two. Then in bracket you will get m plus 8. 13 is common, in bracket m plus 18. Take the common m plus 18. Then in bracket you will get m plus 13. Now again resubstitute the value of m. That is x square minus 8x plus 18 and x square minus 8x plus 13. Therefore, now in this case, we cannot factorize this. We cannot factorize this x square minus 8x plus 18 and x square minus 8x plus 13. Keep this as it is, and in this way, we have completed the chapter number 3 and the practice set 3.6. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.